Want to install DeepSeek on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to do it. So, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Then, tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. In the search bar at the top, type DeepSeek and tap Search. Once you see the app in the search results, tap on DeepSeek to open its download page. Now, tap the Get button. If prompted, confirm the installation by double-pressing the side button or use Face ID or your Apple ID password if required. Wait a few seconds while the app downloads and installs on your iPhone. When it's finished, tap Open to launch the app. You'll be asked to sign in or create an account. Simply enter your email address or follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And that's it. DeepSeek is now installed on your iPhone, and you're ready to start using it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.